Welcome to another Tesla Tips and Trips video. On today's episode, we are going to share with you a brand new Tesla accessory from the makers of this thing right here. Magbak, I can't get my finger, which way do I do it? Well, right here, this thing right here, Magbak. They have a new product on the market, and it's awesome. And it solves two problems in one product. It's amazing. It's really, really cool. It's unlike anything else out there on the market. And we are gonna break it all down. Unboxing, installation, all the details right here. All right, let's pop this open for the first time. As you can see, it's all sealed up. Don't want to show you my address, but it is all sealed. Take my word for that. I have not seen this product. This is brand new to me. They reached out to me recently and said, "Hey, we got a brand new product. We know you like the iPhone charger for your Model Y and Model 3, and we want you to get this early and take a look." So let's pop this open and see what's inside. Oh, they're individual. This is cool. Look at that. Love it. All right, first of all, what's this? Looks like some sort of tool, little plastic tool that we can use to probably put them on and take them off. So that's kind of cool that it comes with that. And let's pop open one of these guys. Individual set. They do make these for Model 3 and Model Y. For the Model Y, it's the Uberturbines or the Induction Wheels. And I got the Uberturbine Wheels. So very nice packaging. Tells you exactly what it's for, who it's from with the Magbak logo. On the bottom, oh, here we are, Rim Case, Tesla Model Y, 21-inch Uberturbine wheels. Very, very cool, like that. Says it on both sides. You got the Magbak logo here. More details here, but on the back, it tells you exactly what you're getting, which is really nice. Full wheel set includes 10 segments, so this is modular. It goes all the way around the wheel, which is pretty cool, and then one valve segment. I was wondering how they were going to handle that, and now that's my answer. So you get one special one for around the valve section. So let's do the unboxing of the unboxing. We'll just do one of these. There's two little tabs right here. Got some plastic pieces here. Not exactly sure what that's for, but I will take a look at the manual. And before we do go ahead and do the full installation. Oh, this is really cool. So it has an actual set of instructions. Good job, guys. So we've got the directions. Let's take a look at a couple of the pieces. They are rubber band together, and they just snap into place from what I've seen on their website. You can actually start it seeing take shape just by doing this a little bit. Actually, two purposes: save your wheel from curb rash or hide current curb rash. So that's our unboxing. Let's get into the good stuff now. All right, so this is my Tesla Model Y performance. Those longtime viewers of the channel know we have this car. It's from 2022. That's the model year. We got it in late 21. And for the most part, I mean, it's looking good. We went over all about the PPF in a previous video on the front nose, but for the most part, the car is holding up really nicely. However, under one of the first, I don't know, weeks, maybe month that we owned it, we got a little bit of curb rash here on our Uberturbines. Check that out. We got a hit there, and then I think on a later curb, another one got us there. There's a little bit of damage down here, you can see. Today we're going to show you a product that is totally different, totally, I think, revolutionary to anything else out there that's going to fix this issue. And let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and hide this curb rash rather easily. There are some steps here I'm not going to complete here today, but I'm going to tell you about them. They do provide sort of like a PPF for around the outer edge of the wheel. And they have the outer edge PPF, and then they have the PPF that goes into these inner grooves here, and it tells you exactly how to install them and put them into place. The reason I'm not going to do that today is I ran through a puddle on the way here, and that kind of put a botch on things. This needs to be completely clean, completely dry, and I didn't want to mess up the installation. So I'm going to not show you that part, but it does come with that PPF stuff that you need and full directions on how to do everything. And it comes with these interlocking modules. So that's what's different about this product compared to other products. These are exact. These pieces fit into the wheel absolutely perfectly. And because they're, interlocking, and it's a modular design, you can basically damage 1 or 2 of these, or 3 or whatever, and just get new pieces and pop those into place. So if you get curb damage after repairing your curb damage with these, you just pop these out and put new ones in. So the kit, like I said, comes with the PPF. It also has the 3M tape. So if you want to have a more permanent installation, again, I'm just going to put these on temporarily just to see how it works, show you how they install, see how easy it is to put them in and out of your wheel. The other thing you should know, they need to come off if you get new tires. Okay, so assuming that you got the PPF on, assuming you took all the red backings off of these pieces, here's how easy it is to put these on. I already put one on just to see. All right, so we're going to pop this first piece on just like this. Watch. So easy. Look at that. So there's piece 1. And so on this installation, on this wheel, the goal is to cover up the curb rash, right? We just slide that, you'd slide this little piece into here and pop this one into place. Look at that. So now we've got 2 in place, and you saw that curb rash disappear. It covers the entire outside perimeter of the wheel, which is pretty cool. Now, you're wondering, I'm sure, how you pop these off later. It's as easy as using this pry tool. Use this part right here, and you go under this side, right? And just kind of gently lift, and it comes right off. Super simple. This is great. I wasn't sure how this part was gonna work. So you go under and over and snap, and then put this back into place. So I'm thoroughly and utterly impressed so far. I've got 2 modules on, and so far so good. So the kit comes with 4 of these boxes. Very nice packaging, by the way. I like the packaging, looks really nice. Comes with 4 of these, and we're just gonna go around like this. Under, over, snap. Now there is a special one down here for the air. Let me see if I can find that real quick. It does come with alcohol wipes. So again, the process is clean the wheel, alcohol wipe the outer edge of the wheel, put the PPF on, remove the red 3M backings, and then pop these into place. All right. So it's just an under-over kind of snap. Actually, no, we got to put it into this part right here, do the interlocking, then we go under. You see the curb rash disappearing, by the way? It's pretty amazing. For the air stem, this will be a little different, I think. I could see the little 2 hooks here. So we put that in there, put that in there, and it's actually easier than the rest of them. All right, going around the wheel, we're almost done with this one wheel. It's pretty quick. All right, so we're on the last piece. So we got that in, we got to go under. This last piece is a little, I got to check the directions, I think. You will get a little dirty too if you want to use gloves, feel free. We are fully on. Slide that one up. Look at that. It does give it a slightly different look, but man, it really does match. Like, you would have to know it's there, and only the owner's going to know it's there. I am really thoroughly impressed. It covered up all the curb rash. It's using a solid material. It's not going to go anywhere. It's snapped in from below and on top. Let's move back and take a look at this thing. Okay, so the rim case is on the front right, and from here, I defy you to tell me you can tell the difference. There is no difference. You cannot tell there is something else on that wheel. And I think that's the whole point. If you like the look of the Uberturbines, you don't really want to change the look, but you want to repair the damage or you want to prevent damage. Here is a non-rim case wheel, and I don't believe we have any any curb rash on this one at all. This is all dirt. It is seamless. It's really quite amazing. I mean, if you sit here and stare at it, you can tell there's a slight difference, but if anything, it makes it look a little cooler. This is great. This is a really, really cool, exciting product. At first, when they approached me, I was like, okay, here's another product to review. I get, you know, commission stuff and coupon codes and all that stuff, but that's it. Super simple to install, super simple to remove. It's a great product. I'm totally and thoroughly impressed. The MagBak Rim Case, this one is for the Tesla Model Y, 21-inch Uberturbine wheels, but they do have other models available. I will put all that down in the description to see if your model qualifies for this product. Thank you once again, as always. Grab your coupon code down below. It's awesome. Save yourself some cash. MagBak Rim Case. If you like what you see here on the channel, feel free. We love doing these videos. We love having you on board. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, Tesla tips and trips, and we'll catch you on the next video.